The Skoda Fabia III, produced from 2014 to 2021, includes front fog lights designed to improve visibility during challenging weather conditions such as fog, rain, or dusk. These lights provide a focused beam that helps illuminate the road ahead without causing excessive glare. This introductory section explains their purpose and sets the stage for understanding manual operation through the vehicle's switch system. The fog light switch is typically found on the dashboard, near the light stalk or central console. It's marked with a headlight symbol and wavy lines indicating fog. Familiarize yourself with its location for quick access when needed. First, turn on the ignition to power the vehicle's electrical systems. This is essential for the fog light controls to function. Next, activate the low-beam headlights using the light stalk. Fog lights are designed to work only when low beams are on, ensuring proper visibility without glare. Finally, press the fog light button on the dashboard. Look for the green indicator light on the instrument cluster to confirm that the fog lights are now active and providing improved visibility in low conditions. To disable the fog lights, simply press the fog light button again. Alternatively, turning off the headlights will automatically disable the fog lights in most cases. Fog lights are auxiliary lamps designed to enhance visibility in specific conditions, but they are not substitutes for your vehicle's main headlights. Fog lights should only be used when visibility is reduced to less than 100 meters, such as in fog, heavy rain, or dense mist. Using fog lights in clear weather conditions can dazzle oncoming drivers due to their wide beam pattern, potentially causing accidents and leading to fines for improper use. Fog light regulations differ between countries and regions. For example, some areas have specific distance requirements or time restrictions. Always consult local traffic laws to avoid violations. Aging wiring is a common issue in high-mileage Skoda Fabia III vehicles. Over time, wires can corrode or become loose, leading to electrical faults in the fog light switch. This usually happens after 100,000 kilometers of use. If you notice the fog lights staying on constantly or not turning on at all, these are typical symptoms of wiring or switch problems. Always check these symptoms before proceeding to repairs. For basic troubleshooting, first inspect the fog light switch for visible damage and test if it clicks properly. The wiring diagram shows how the switch connects to the vehicle's electrical system. For more detailed diagnostics, connect an OBD2 scanner to the vehicle's port. This tool can identify specific electrical issues in the fog light system and provide error codes for targeted repairs. Moisture ingress is another common problem. Water can seep into the switch housing, causing corrosion and electrical shorts that make the fog light switch fail. Inspect for cracks or water damage. The Skoda Fabia III fog lights use 55 watts halogen bulbs, which are energy intensive and have shorter lifespans. Consider upgrading to LED fog light kits for improved efficiency. These upgrades cost between $50 and $150 and provide up to 50% energy savings, along with much longer lifespans of up to 10,000 hours compared to 500 hours for halogen bulbs. The automotive industry is shifting towards smarter lighting systems that integrate fog lights with advanced driver assistance systems. Newer models like the Fabia IV integrate fog lights with ADAS, where sensors and cameras automatically activate fog lights based on weather conditions or road visibility. LED fog lights are replacing traditional halogen bulbs, providing 70% less power consumption and lifespans up to 10,000 hours compared to 500 hours for halogen. The EU Green Deal and environmental regulations are phasing out inefficient bulbs, with bans on non-eco-friendly lighting expected by 2030. Manual fog light switches are becoming obsolete as newer vehicles move away from physical toggles. Future fog lighting will rely on AI-driven systems that automatically adjust based on real-time road and weather conditions, eliminating the need for manual intervention.